welcome back to the channel. After looking at the title of the video today, no gym, no problem. Well, today we're going to jog, and you don't need a gym for jogging. You gotta run. You gotta keep moving. You can't stay stagnant, sitting on the couch or laying in the bed, talking about working out. You gotta get outside and you gotta do it. It's all right to take a break, you know. I'm not telling you to go out there and kill yourself. It's definitely all right to take a break, you know, take a breather. But guess what? You gotta get right back to it, you know. Your break could be anywhere from 2-3 minutes, you know, 5 minutes most. But once you take that break, you gotta get right back to it, you know. Ain't no excuses. Oh, I'm tired, you know. Oh, my legs hurt, you know. No. You knew what you was getting into before you got into it. You know what I'm saying? You want to start the fitness journey, and hey, there you go. We're gonna start this fitness journey, and this is just starting from scratch. This is baby steps, you know. It's a long road ahead. Trust me, long road ahead. So you gotta do what you gotta do, all right? And there you have it. You can do this. You got it. You just ran around this whole path. You can do it. You have what it takes inside. Just to get started. Just do it. I know you can do it. I believe in you just as much as you believe in yourself. And you believe in yourself a whole lot. Why? Because you sat around. You thought about it. You played it back in your mind, you know, over and over and over. How can I start my fitness journey? When can I start my fitness journey? To answer that question, start right now. If you're not doing nothing, you're sitting around, laying in your bed, or sitting on the couch, go outside. Jog in place. If you don't have a huge neighborhood, you don't have a park to go to, jog in place. Run in place, you know, no excuses. You're moving. That's a start. You're moving. You're jogging in place, you know. Do jumping jacks. You know what I'm saying? Jumping jacks, anything, you know, as long as you're moving. That's part of the progress, you know. You started. You doing something. You're sweating, you know. That's what you have to do. That's how you start your fitness journey. No gym, no membership. No excuses, no problem. That's how you start.
Location on the track.
No excuse. Push-ups, you don't have to count. Just do it. Do push-ups till you can't do push-ups no more. You know? I'm gonna show you how to get started. And this is one of the ways. That's how you start your fitness journey. Start moving. If you guys like the video, give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.